Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mohammad Al Ansari, moderator of this event, and this is Job Hack 2026 online mock interview. You have to learn here, master, how to you. Here you will learn how to master your interview skills and boost your confidence before facing real recruiters. Uh, Now I will introduce Miss Zubra Khan, uh, who is member of Aligarh Renaissance. She will introduce NGO and event purpose. Ma'am,
Thank you so much for the invitation. Further moving ahead, let me tell you about our Aligarh Renaissance. The Aligarh Renaissance is a registered educational and social organization dedicated to youth empowerment, skill development, and academic excellence. Founded with the mission to bridge the gap between academics learning and professional expectations. The organization regularly hosts interactive workshops, national competitions, policy decisions and discussions, and career preparation programs to equip students and young professionals with industry ready skills. Moving further ahead with the event purposes. So, the event of today, the Job Hack 2026, is an online initiative designed to provide practical, real world interview exposure to job seekers and young graduates. Participants undergo stimulated live interview rounds with an expert panel of experienced professionals across various domains track, receiving personalized, constructive feedback on their performance, communication style, and technical readiness. The core objective of Job Hack 2026 is to reduce interview anxiety, refine career readiness, and offer actionable insight into recruitment expectations, empowering candidates to successfully navigate actual hiring process with confidence. So that's all about our event purposes.
Talha, are you there?
yes, I'm here. Uh, so now I will introduce our expert panelists. Dr. Nagma Irfan, she was India head data research and training, Eurasia Afro Chamber of Commerce, and here our another panelist is Dr. Mohammad Kashif Raza Khan. He is HRD IDC consultant, director U capacity, and then Dr. Mohammad Asif. He is working in Ministry of Ayush Government of India, and then Dr. Imran Khan. He is assistant professor in Artificial Intelligence Cluster, School of Computer Science, UPES India. Then Dr. Mohammad Kamil Vakil. Um, he is project manager and environmental expert from Oman. And our next panelist is Tahir Hussain. He is manager in soft services and facility management expert, Saudi Arabia. And last are Sayyid Kaf Hassan, advocate, Supreme Court and Allahabad High Court, student of AIM. So So now I will introduce. I will start from. I will start from Mohammad Sahil Khan. He is a student of AMU, and he is final year student. Sahil Khan, are you here? I think he's not here. Uh, Mr. Shahid Sabir. Yeah, Mr. Sharik Shabir, are you here?
Yes, sir. But sir,
Mr. Sharik Sabir Ahangar, BTech Aligarh Muslim University, student final year student. He is a student of civil engineer. Uh, Now you can introduce yourself, Sharik.
good evening, everyone. My name is Sharik Shabir Anger. I was born and brought up.
Sorry to interrupt you, Sharik.
Audible?
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you please open your mic and your camera also?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Am I visible, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Sharik Shabir Anger. I was born and brought up in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir, and currently I live in Aligarh. I'm a final year BTech student from Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology, Aligarh Muslim University. Mm. Sir, I have done my diploma from University Polytechnic from Aligarh Muslim University. And in my free time, I like to learn I like to watch YouTube tutorial videos of new softwares that align with my industry so that I can get expert in those softwares to find a good and relevant job after my graduation. Thank you.
Our panelists have any question?
Tariq,
Well,
what about your primary education?
Sir, I have done my primary education from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Anantnag. That is in Kashmir, and I have passed my 10th there. After 10th, I got admission in University Polytechnic and Aligarh Muslim University for diploma in civil engineering. I got second topper position in diploma, and I got a direct admission in BTech Civil Engineering in Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology.
So, how could you differentiate the facilities given by the Navodaya Vidyalaya and the Aligarh Muslim universities,
So actually,
particularly in reference to the
in
yes, yes, go on, go on.
In Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, it is also a boarding school. And up till ninth, it is free. After ninth standard, those who are having APL ration card have to pay some minimal fees there. But it is also free for girls till 12th. AMU is a central university where the studies can be started from kindergarten to postdoctorate. But Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is a higher secondary school.
Tarek, during your introduction, you should include a touch base of your family as well, your family background. Got it?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
So you have given a very brief introduction about yourself. You should elaborate. You should start from your schooling or from your current qualification, then your schooling as well, and a small intro about your family background, your hobbies, etc.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Okay.
So, Sharik, for what you are preparing,
Sorry.
for what you are preparing, any
Sir,
particular exam or any,
yes,
could
yes,
you
sir. Currently,
elaborate any particular?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Currently, I'm preparing for GATE and engineering services both.
So in next 5 years, where you see yourself? What's your
In
plan?
next, my primary plan is to crack engineering services exam and get a reputed position of AEE, assistant executive engineer position. And my backup plan is to qualify GATE exam and get enrolled in master's program in any IIT.
Which branch you are looking for?
Structural engineering.
Structural engineering. What are the
Sir.
scopes?
For structural engineering.
Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, all the new constructions, everything, all the mega structures need to be designed in a very crucial way. So, structural engineer plays a very basic and crucial role in the design of like multi high-rise buildings, mega projects like dams, bridges, or major expressways like tunnels. The backbone of the design lies in the hands of the structural engineer.
Yeah. So in current scenario, we can say it's a good branch to explore more nowadays, right?
Yeah, sure. Yes, ma'am.
And which particular IIT you are looking for?
IIT,
Yeah.
IIT Delhi.
Okay. On top, you are looking for IIT Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And even from civil branch, I mean from panelist who can ask some technical questions from structural design and civil engineering. Do we have anyone from that background? Acha, Sharik, tell me, if you are going to join any organization and they ask you how you can be beneficial for us, what will be your answer?
My answer will be simple that currently there is a demand of new softwares that enhance the productivity, that increases the productivity and decreases the time of completion of projects. Like there is a Revit that comes under the family of building information modeling (BIM), and I have a good hand on that software, so I think I can be very beneficial for them.
But you don't have any experience.
Yeah, ma'am, as a fresher, I can start this role. And currently, there is a shortage of the very professional personnel who are expert in these BIM tools.
And what are the softwares you are working on?
Ma'am, it is Autodesk Revit.
Pardon?
Autodesk Revit.
Okay, so you have any certification on that?
Yes, ma'am, I have some certifications obtained from Udemy. I have completed some courses on Udemy and I have the certifications of those courses.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, ma'am.
Dear Sharik,
I think you should also include that you have a team spirit as well. You can work with a big team. Got it?
Sure,
Sharik.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you should.
I have some questions from Sharik.
Yes, sir.
Sharik, do you have any experience in internship or industrial projects
Yes, sir. I
in order
have
to substantiate your claim for this
Yes, sir.
position?
Yes, sir. I have completed 3 internships, and recently in my summer vacation, I was doing my internship in NHAI, National Highways Authority of India, and I have completed it just on 1st August.
So what you have learned there?
So,
Ma'am, there
What
we were
particular skill set you have learned there?
Yes, there we were deputed to work in different departments. Like first, we went to surveying, where I learned how actually the coordinates are taken onto the ground, how the layout is taking place. They are using like a theodolite, and total station is that instrument that is used nowadays. After that, we were sent to a structural department where we verified the drawings, that technical drawings is the work that is being taken place practically complies with those drawings, and we learn BBS, bar bending schedule. That shows how much quantity of steel or bars is actually used at site. And then we were sent to quality control, where we were engaged in some lab tests, etc.
Can you elaborate more with the real world problem where your skill set can be used?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, whenever any civil engineering project is there, if any work is to be done, for example, there is a construction of highway. So from basics to from start to end, everything related to site supervision needs to be carefully demonstrated. Like first, when it comes to the part of surveying, everything needs to be accurately located at point. For example, when a designer designs for example, a bridge has been designed by a designer. He had given some coordinates that this pier will be at this coordinate, this point will be at this coordinate. So we have to accurately locate them on the ground. If there is any mismatch, so it can become a hazard if there is any mismatch between those designed coordinates and the actual coordinates where the construction is taking place. So to omit these drawbacks, so there is an instrument called total station in which we feed those designed coordinates, and it helps us to locate those coordinates on the actual ground. After that, when there is construction is going on, for example, there is to be concreting processes to be done today. So we need to test the concrete. For example, today we have to form a tech slab. When the truck comes with concrete, we have to make some cubes of concrete. Then we have to send them to the lab for test. If those concrete cubes if those concrete cubes fail to show the strength that has to be designed, that has to be used in the design, then we need to we cannot approve that design. So there has to be prudent in selecting those concrete and all.
So this is the kind of quality check, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how you will assure the quality?
Actually, when we do some tests, then the results are directly sent to the authority engineers. Authority engineers are appointed by the client. For example, in our case, NHAI was the client. They have appointed some authority engineers who come and in front of their eyes see their test results. If those test results conform to the specifications, only they can approve them. If there is any mismatch, like the concrete has not attained the strength which was desired, then they will reject that. And we have to repeat the step again. We have to reconcrete that structure.
Okay. Do you have any idea to apply AI in your field?
Sorry, I don't understand, ma'am.
Do you have any idea to apply AI in your field, in structural
Yes.
design?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in my BTech final year, I'm planning to have a project on that AI and machine learning. What we will do, we will have some experimentations, and for example, we will do some experiments on concrete, the grades of concrete, and obtain some results there. That results will be fed to AI and machine learning. So, when, for example, for some results we have, for some tests we have the results, and based on those results, we will train the AI models, how these results are used to generate more and more results. So it will train itself. And When it gets sufficiently trained, then it can be used to predict the behavior of those buildings. Like we have constructed a G+20, G+30 building. So directly entering the results that we are going to use, it will directly show us how it will behave under different set of loading conditions, different set of, if we, for example, if we put a spacing between the columns, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8 meter, we will vary some spacing and it will show us how it will behave.
Very nice. You have elaborated very well. Anyone
Thank you,
wants
Arun.
to ask any question to?
You are speaking well, Sharik. This is good effort. I want to know how many industrial projects have you done so far, because you have mentioned only of your first year exposure. So if you are
Sir,
doing industrial projects in these years, second, third, and right now you are in final year, industrial
yes,
project
sir.
as well as the internship opportunity if you have attended.
Yes, sir. I have attended 3 internships.
Good. And let us know something about them.
Sir, the recent internship was at NHAI. And there is a ring road that is being constructed in Srinagar. I was deputed there. There, a road is
Okay.
being constructed for, sir, an
Yes, I am listening to
existing
you.
there is an existing 2-lane national highway that has to be upgraded to 4-lane dual carriageway, and we were deputed there.
Very good. Very good. So what else? Another
Sir,
is
yes, sir. And another internship was at Jammu.
internship or
There,
industrial
yes, sir.
projects. So
There was,
I want to know about your interaction with industry. So as a
yes, sir.
student, we need to continue and keep up with interactions with industry. That's why I'm asking
Yes,
you
sir.
this question.
Yes, sir. And another internship was at Jammu, where there was a major road overbridge was to be constructed. A road overbridge means that there is a road, and over that road there is an other perpendicular road. That we have to construct at different levels to avoid any obstruction between the traffic. So there was that road overbridge to be constructed, and we worked on that.
Fine.
And
So
the third internship I attended was there was the, yes, ma'am?
Yeah, Sharik, you are from hilly area, right? So
Yes,
how
ma'am.
your education can be beneficial to improve the roads in Srinagar and Kashmir?
Sorry, I please repeat,
How you
ma'am.
can improvise? How you can improvise the structure there? Because in
Uh,
hilly areas we need different kind of structures, unlike plains, right?
yes, ma'am.
So do you have any idea how can you improvise the structures there? Any input
Yes,
from your
ma'am.
side?
Yes, sir. The major problem does not lie in the structure, but in the foundation. There we have the different type of soil over the sedimentary rock. There are the major portion of rock is sedimentary in Jammu and Kashmir region. So whenever we build a road, we sometimes we forget to over check the slopes. For example, the major failure lies in the slopes. Slopes fail usually. So there we can, use some advanced rock mechanics techniques to first enhance that slope protection. I think this will help a lot to make the roads all weather. That is why, ma'am, NHAI is also trying to avoid those slopes, and rather they are constructing tunnels. You would have seen in news a number of tunnels are being constructed in Jammu and Kashmir to make that road all weather roads to prevent landslides and other damage.
Nice. Okay. So anyone wants to ask something?
being from non-technical background, I have asked enough questions. Prof. Sharik, and Sharik is giving answers. MashaAllah. But
You have broad idea about your education, and I also liked it.
Thank you.
Though those questions were from non-technical background, but still you have replied with full confidence, and you were having a broad idea of all the things we asked. And
Thank
we
you, ma'am.
wish you good luck for your bright future, inshallah. And we pray कि आपको अल्लाह पाक और बहुत अच्छी जॉब दें, whatever is your dream,
Thank
your
you very
dreams
much, ma'am.
come true. Yeah.
Lastly, with
Thank you,
final
ma'am.
words, I would like to say that with final words, I would like to say that the job opportunities and career in government jobs, they have different scenario, and in corporate world, private industry, the job scenario is different. So you have to be aware and be equipped with both for both the scenarios. So be
Sure,
aware
sure,
and
sir.
careful about and prepared about both the career avenues. Best wishes,
Definitely, sir.
Sharif. Best
Thank
wishes
you, sir.
for your career. Take care.
Thank you, Sharik. Now we will move towards our next candidate. His name is Asad Abrar, and he is a fresher student, and he have experience of less than 1 year. And his job is related to human resource executive, and he belong to Al Barakat Institute of Management Studies. Um, Asad, are you here? I think he's okay. Now move towards our next candidate, uh, Rihanna Nisar. She is a student of MA Geography, Aligarh Muslim University, and she is preparing for civil services. Rihanna, are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
You can introduce yourself and please switch on your camera while giving your
Okay, sir.
interview.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Diana Nisar. I was born and brought up in Anantnag, Jammu and Kashmir. I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Anantnag, and then I got admission in Regal Muslim University from class 11th standard. And now I am pursuing Masters in Geography from Regal Muslim University itself. My hobby is to playing outdoor and indoor games, and my ultimate goal is to achieve, and my ultimate goal is to become an IAS officer. Thank you, sir.
Admin, please pin the speaker, the candidate. Thank you.
Rehana, you are not audible.
Sorry, sir, I have already introduced myself. Shall I give introduction again?
Yeah,
No,
please
we have
Shall
introduce.
I
heard
give
you.
my introduction again?
Yeah, Rehana, you should start with your higher qualification, na? We didn't got you.
Okay, ma'am. My presently I'm pursuing my master's in geography in Iligan Muslim University, and my
From which
ultimate goal is to join. Yes, ma'am.
from which university you are pursuing your
Iligan Muslim
masters?
University.
Okay.
My ultimate aspiration is to join the civil service as an IAS officer.
Okay, being an IS officer only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, you had a very brief intro about yourself. You should have start with your previous qualifications as well, and also you should include your touch base towards your family background, your hobbies, and then your plans.
Yeah,
Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Since you are doing your masters in geography, so you wanted to become an IAS officer. What you are preparing for this? I mean, you are having any idea about UPSC and all? Do you have?
Yes, ma'am. I have an idea, like, ma'am, what kind of idea? Ma'am, related to academics, what to read in or what to learn in it, how to win exams about that.
Acha, we have a recent announcement from government regarding UPSC aspirants. Do you have any idea about that?
Sorry,
On 15th August,
sorry, ma'am.
you are not aware,
No, no,
but you should be good at your GK as well, na?
okay.
Any one of you have any idea about this? An announcement from government for UPSC aspirants? Any of candidate? So how much time you invest in your current affairs daily?
Ma'am, daily 1 hour I have given. Even I have given today also and yesterday also. My time to again newspaper reading.
So you get your news from newspapers,
Yes, ma'am.
current. And what about news?
Ma'am, yesterday of
Yesterday
yesterday.
we had Yesterday we had an announcement from our Prime Minister regarding UPSC aspirants. You don't know about that?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm
You're
not
not aware?
aware of it. Sorry.
Free coaching for UPSC aspirants. Do you know this? No.
Hmm.
You haven't heard about this?
No.
Okay, anyways, Google it. Find out. Recently, what yesterday, our Prime Minister announced that government will provide free coaching for UPSC aspirants. So
Yes, ma'am.
it's a golden uh, what to say? It's a golden news for you, for the candidates like you, to dig something better for you from government. Got it?
Sure, ma'am. Yes.
So from my side, it's done. Anyone wants to ask any question to Rihanna? Because you are not from my background, so I can't ask
Yeah,
much technical questions to you.
actually. So, why you have chosen geography for masters?
Well, I already belong there. Sorry, sir. So,
No problem. So,
You can
yes,
speak
carry on.
in Hindi as well. Be confident.
yes, ma'am.
Don't say sorry. You can speak in Hindi as well. You can speak in Hindi as well. If you have your answer,
Hindi
you have
से,
clear answer in your mind, you can speak
yes.
in Hindi as well. At least you should speak.
सर सर, जैसे कि मैं ऑलरेडी JNK से बिलोंग करती हूँ, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से, तो वहाँ का लैंडस्केप देख के, या मैंने ऑलरेडी स्कूल में जितना पढ़ा था, तो उससे मेरा इंटरेस्ट वो डेवलप हुआ। और फिर जो मेरी एम UPSC थी, तो मुझे लगा उसमें ज्योग्राफी मतलब मेन सब्जेक्ट्स है, मेन सब्जेक्ट में इंक्लूड होता है, तो इसलिए मैंने ज्योग्राफी चूज किया। और मुझे उसमें काफी इंटरेस्ट भी आता है फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी में पढ़ने पढ़ने में, तो इस वजह से।
What is career path in your geography?
क्या
In-
अच्छा,
करियर पाथ क्या है ज्योग्राफी लेके, जो आपने सोचा हो कि ठीक है आई विल गो फॉर IAS, बट एक बैकअप प्लान भी होता है ना?
मैम बैकअप प्लान या सिविल सर्विस में ही जाना है, या तो मतलब अपनी स्टेट की सिविल सर्विस में, या तो सेंट्रल JKPS और UPSC।
What are- अच्छा, उसके लिए क्या कौन कौन से रिक्रूटमेंट एग्जामिनेशंस होते हैं? रिक्रूटमेंट तो नहीं कहेंगे, हाँ एग्जामिनेशंस होते हैं जिनमें आप
इसमें
अपियर होगे।
JK SSB का होता है, BTPSC का होता है, JKS का होता है।
हम्म
और
उनका बात, फॉर्म्स कब आते हैं, कैसे फिल करते हैं, हाउ टू फिल दैट, डू यू नो?
मैम सॉरी,
कौन सी
मैंने
डेट्स होती
अभी
हैं?
तक कोई मैम अभी तक मैंने कोई फॉर्म फिल नहीं किया है, लेकिन 27 में।
बट यू शुड हैव अ ब्रॉड आइडिया अबाउट दिस ना, कि हाँ कब फॉर्म आएगा, कब मैं फिल करूंगी, क्योंकि ये सब भी तो एक पार्ट है ना आपका। आपको पता होना चाहिए मुझे कौन कौन से एग्जामिनेशंस देने हैं compete करने के लिए। आपको पता होना चाहिए कौन कौन सी डेट्स पे वो आते हैं, और आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड आप कहाँ कहाँ सेट हो सकते हो in government services, not only in IS, being an IS, isn't it? So this is high time ना, you should start searching ना।
ओके मैम, आई विल श्योरली।
आजकल तो गूगल है, आप घर बैठ के सारा अपना लिस्ट आप प्रिपेयर करो, है ना, कि मुझे क्या क्या करना है, कैसे बनाना है, कौन कौन से एग्जामिनेशंस होते हैं। बहुत एग्जामिनेशंस ऐसे आएंगे जो आपको पता ही नहीं होंगे, जहाँ आपका ये ज्योग्राफिकल बैकग्राउंड यूज होगा, ठीक है ना। आप उसको सर्च आउट करो, बनाओ एक लिस्ट बनाओ, कौन कौन सी डेट्स को आते हैं एग्जामिनेशन के फॉर्म, कैसे फॉर्म फिल किए जाते हैं, क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, यू शुड नो एज वेल। आप उनको फुलफिल करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं। पास्ट 10 years के जितने क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हैं, यू शुड स्टार्ट लर्निंग फ्रॉम देम ओनली। तो एक थोड़ा ब्रॉड आइडिया तो आपको लेना पड़ेगा ना कि आपको क्या करना है। आई वॉन्टेड टू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर विल नॉट वर्क ना। यू व्हाट्स योर एज, सॉरी आई मीन अभी यू हैव ओनली 10 to 15 years, और कितने अटेम्प्ट्स उसमें आप कर सकते हो, तो आपको ये सब सोचना पड़ेगा ना, क्या बुक्स होती हैं, क्या सिलेबस होता है उसका। तो आप मास्टर्स में ऑलरेडी जा रहे हो, तो आपको तो अब तक सब कुछ ये सब स्टार्ट कर लेना चाहिए था। डोंट टेक इट पर्सनल, इट्स जस्ट एन एडवाइस।
started my preparation, but sorry, I
हाँ,
have not gone
तो
through the
आपने अगर
forms.
आपने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट की है, तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि क्या सिलेबस है, क्या क्या पढ़ना है। फॉर्म पहले पता होना चाहिए कौन सी डेट्स को आएंगे, कौन से फॉर्म मुझे फिल करने हैं, किसमें मैं एलिजिबल हूँ, और क्या उसके लूप होल्स हैं कि कहाँ से, जैसे बीइंग फ्रॉम एक JNK से आप हो, तो कई बेनिफिट्स कहीं उसमें मिलते हैं, आपको ये पता होने चाहिए, सो दैट यू कैन ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी।
Yes, ma'am.
है ना। बहुत सारी गवर्नमेंट की वो होती हैं जिनको हमें पता ही नहीं होता है। स्कॉलरशिप्स भी होती हैं बहुत सारी। इवन इसके लिए वही मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना कि अभी गवर्नमेंट ने कल ही अनाउंस किया है कि यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स को जो है फ्री वो देंगे। तो आप वो पता करो, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि फ्री कोचिंग कहाँ से मिल सकती है, कैसे मिलेगी, है ना। ठीक है, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। वी कैन स्टार्ट विद अनदर कैंडिडेट। और अगर किसी और को कुछ पूछना है और या फिर इनको गाइड करना है तो दे कैन डू।
Already all the things being told by ma'am in relation to the examination. What are the particular exam for the geography? Despite this, particularly for the civil service examination, prelims is there, mains is there, then finally interviews there. What should be the schedule? Uh, Now you are in master, so you should know what are the books. How could you correlate your syllabus with your civil service examination or other than the civil service examination? Primarily, you should know what are the main exam despite the civil service examination. So these all are the basic thing we should know. You should know. Despite that, if you are interested in geography, technically in geography, if I can ask something, particularly in geography, could you explain the climate of J&K, about the climate of J&K?
You said climate of change is temperate.
Okay. What about the major agriculture crop in J&K particularly? Major agricultural crops.
So major agricultural crop is rice in Kashmir region and wheat in Jammu region.
Beet, sugar beet,
Wheat.
wheat. Okay.
Yes,
In which season both of these crops are grown?
so
These are
rice is
Rabi
grown in the
crop, Kharif
Kharif.
crop. Which type of crop both of these are?
So rice is a Kharif crop grown in June and July, and wheat is a Rabi crop grown in the winters.
Okay. So what about nature? You have heard about natural resources?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about natural resources? So what
Yes, sir.
natural resources are?
So natural resources are those resources which are naturally in our find in the land, like minerals. Yes, sir.
Natural resource means resources provided by the nature. All type of resources. It may be water, it may be wind, whatever
The
resources
forest is
provided
water.
by the nature. These are simple. These all are. So which type of forest are there in J&K?
So there are temperate forests in Kashmir region.
Temperate forest. So could you explain 2 or 3 qualities of the temperate forest?
Yes, sir.
The temperate plants. Any temperate plants? Could you explain two or three qualities of the temperate forest?
So temperate forests there can be find the
Or
willow
could you
trees.
name the plants? Right?
So willow trees are very famous in the temperate forests and fir and oak and pine trees are also there. So they are conical in shape due to the climate features and because of temperature, uh, water cannot be lost
So
in the summer. Due to this, they are in the conical shapes.
okay. So name whatever name you have told, any of these plants being used as a fodder?
Yes,
The
sir.
name two, you have told oak, you have told pine. I hope you have told three names. So one is oak, second one is pine, one more plant you have named. So any of the plant being
Willow.
used as a fodder in J&K? No.
Sorry, sir.
Oak
I
also.
did not get. Sir, willow. I talk about
Oak
willow
plant
trees.
also. Yes, yes. Willow and oak plant also used. Yes, yes, yes. Both of these plant used as a fodder in
Yes.
temperate regions. Uh, what about you have heard about peninsular region? What peninsular region is? You know peninsular
Yes,
region?
sir. Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
this is the region which is surrounded by water by three
Yes, yes.
sides.
Tell.
Southern part of India is
Okay.
peninsular region.
Okay. So have you heard about Western Ghat?
Yes, sir. So Western Ghats
So
are
tell me about Western
yes,
Ghat.
sir.
Something about Western Ghat.
So
Tell.
situated on the western coast
Carry
of
on.
India, and they are rich in forest. They have a high biodiversity there in Western Ghats.
Okay. What is biodiversity?
So biodiversity is having a diversity in plants, animals, and birds. There, lot of visitors.
Okay. Do you know about tectonic plates?
This one.
Tectonic plates. Have you heard about
Yes,
tectonic
sir.
plates? What is the role
So
of tectonic plates in earthquake?
so
Yes.
there are various major and minor plates on Earth. So uh, if they are usually floating on the asthenosphere, and when they collide, they build the mountains. And if they are diverse, sorry, sir. If these tectonic plates collide, they will form mountains like features. And if they diverge, the volcano eruptions happens. And there's one more. Uh, that's sorry, sir. I'm not calling it.
Also. No
Transform
problem.
boundaries also.
Very simple two terms you have heard in geography, latitude and longitude. What is the difference in both
Yes,
of
sir.
them?
So
Two terms you have
longitude
heard in
tells about
geography.
the time,
Yes, what both are?
and latitude tells about the location mainly. Latitudes are horizontal lines which divide.
So,
Yes, sir. And longitudes are
yes.
vertical lines
Carry on.
to tell about the time, and latitudes tell about the location, place.
Have you heard the name of GPS?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard GPS? Have you heard the name of
GP.
GPS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
GPS.
Geo-
Yes.
Yes,
What is
sir.
GPS?
So geospace processing unit, I think it's in computer software used for analyzing maps and geolocation.
What it tells?
So it tells about the location,
Actually, GPS location. Yes. You're right.
global positioning system.
how many type of rocks are there in the GNK? Global Positioning
Yes,
System.
sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
How many types of rocks are there in GNK?
Sorry, sir. So I think there are segmentary rocks.
Should I repeat? How many
Sir,
types? Okay.
so segmentary rocks are mainly there.
Okay. Although it is okay from your side in terms of your subject, but despite this, you have to see whatever ma'am told about you. So this is uh, mm, done from my side. Any other interviewer if want to ask, he can ask the question.
Yes, Rihanna Nisar. Actually, I do not want to ask any questions. Rather, I want to give some suggestions. This is, as candidate, this is your beginning. So, first, uh, observing the conversation with you, I think you need to be, as candidate, be aware of all the avenues, be aware with the UPSC based opportunities, SSC based opportunities, be aware with all type of administrative job opportunities in government and non-administrative job opportunities also. So this is beginning, this is the right time to be aware with all the career opportunities and avenues also. Nagma Irfan madam, she asked you one question that what is your career path? So in the beginning, you need to be aware with what may be career options and what may be the career paths. So this is the right term for you. So if you are in first year, first semester, so this is the right time. You have 2 years of your education, so you can get enough time to prepare yourself for your examinations. So be aware with all the career avenues, career opportunities, the requirements, what are the subjects required, what are the examinations. So this would be a right time for you to be aware with them all. Thank you. Best wishes for your career, for your success, for your administrative opportunities, and inshallah, non-administrative opportunities. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Take care. Do we have any other candidate?
Thank you, panelists. I think there are none in the panel. So we should stop this interview here because there are not any single student in the meeting. So thank you everyone for joining this event. And
Most
we
welcome.
are
This was a good platform for students
yes, sir.
and for us because
Yes,
this was a platform of interaction and connectivity. Good wishes for next programs. We would be available for you, inshallah, for this platform. This is a good platform.
thank you, sir. So now we are going to end this event here.
Fine, it's all right. You may organize another meeting for us without candidates as participants, as supporters. We can get one meeting, inshallah. I would be available for that. Okay, thank you very much. Islam.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Okay. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Most welcome.